Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice Rita, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious steamed beans. We need a cup of peeled white peel beans, that's the black eye bean. We soak it for 15 minutes and then wash with clean water until the water becomes clean. We don't need to start peeling this because it has already been peeled. You can buy this from any of the Asian store. Then we just rinse this by using our hand to massage the beans. This is just to ensure that we thoroughly clean the bean. And now we're going to rinse this and blend it. After blending, you line the baking pan with a foil. Here I'm brushing the foil with oil to prevent it from sticking to the beans when it's done. So put the foil inside the baking pan and now we can begin to scoop the blended beans into the pan. I used my soup maker to blend this because my blender was faulty. That's why I have to scoop it out. If you're using a blender, you just pour the whole content into this pan. No salt, no Maggi, no seasoning, because we are making a steamed bean cake. We'll be using another piece of foil to cover this top of the baking pan so that we don't have a burnt bean. And we use this to carefully cover it, wrap it around the side to ensure that we seal in the moisture. We then place the baking pan in a lasagna bowl and add a cup of water and then transfer to a preheated oven to bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you have this steaming piping hot steamed beans cake. Enjoy this delightful treat with any sauce of choice, with either fish sauce or vegetable sauce. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.